Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo offering. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says on the label Steampunk Cat, made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. There's a first look at the cat. Now that's a sticker on there. It's on a brushed brass case. It was made in January of 2018. Really good stampings on this. Nice sound. It's got a brass colored insert. It's a steel insert, but it's brass colored. I don't know what the fascination is with steampunk and clocks. They seem to like clocks a lot. But these are nice to carry around. They don't show fingerprints. Got a real good sound. They light up nice. Let's do a drop test on this steampunk little cat. Okay, there's the Steampunk Cat passing the drop test. If you like brass Zippos, this is a pretty nice one. I do not know how long these stickers will last if you carry this around every day. But it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.